Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below.
Now let's fetch the user profile data. So here we will, inside profile provider, we will go with user model, user data, and by default, it's going to be null. Here we will go with a function, fetch user data, and it's going to be an asynchronous. Here we'll go with user data equals await profile services. Okay, what was the name of that? It's user data CRUD services. User data CRUD services dot fetch user data and then notify listeners. We will add a semicolon here. We will now move to account screen, and here we will go to the top. And in account screen, you will find that here is our username and this logo. So here is our row. So above it, we will go with consumer. Builder is going to be context, comma, profile provider, child. And here we have to initialize the provider. We'll go with profile provider, and we will go with a check. If profile provider dot user data equals null, then return this, else return something else. Okay, we will cut this entire row, add a comma after the consumer, and here we'll go with return, paste, and instead of username, it's going to be hello user. Else we want to return user's profile pic and user's name. So here we will go with, here at the top we will go with user model, user data equals profile provider dot user data, and a null check. And here we'll go with return row, and inside of the second circle avatar we will go with, let's remove this child, and instead here we'll go with background image. We don't need this background color, and it's going to be network image, and it's going to be user data dot profile pic URL. And here instead of username, it's going to be user data dot name. Now we have to go with an init function also. Here we'll go with init state, and inside of it we will go with widget binding. Here is our widget binding code, and inside of it we will go with context.read profile provider dot fetch user data. Now let's save it and restart our application. We have restarted our application. We will go to account, and here is our name and our profile picture. So instead of background blue, we want to go with a background of white. Here is our background color, not this one. Here inside of this, we will uncomment this background color of white. Now we have a lot of options here. Now we want to add a option named address. We'll go to the top. Here, after orders, we will copy this one, paste here, and it's going to be location pin, and it's going to be address. Let's save it and let's have a look. Okay, so we have to restart the application again. And here we do have a new field, that is address.
Hi everyone, if you are finding this content helpful and want to dive deeper into the course, make sure to check out the entire course available on Udemy. By purchasing the course, you will get access to the course content, downloadable resources, and exclusive material to help you master developing this app using Flutter and Firebase. The link is in the description below.